Hi all, how are you? It's Sam Mashi with Preferred Mortgage, LoanFunderPro.com. I hope this message finds you well, healthy, and safe as we practice social distancing and uh, keep our health and safety as the number one issue for yourself, your loved ones, and wishing you the best. I'm here today to just pass on some information about forbearance. People are calling me. I work as a mortgage broker with Preferred Mortgage. We're a mortgage broker. We represent a lot of different lenders, and a lot of people are asking me about forbearance. And I wanted to let you know forbearance is definitely not forgiveness. So if you're interested in getting information about how the forbearance can help you out, you definitely want to contact your servicing company. Your mortgage company is the holder of your loan, and they hire a servicing company to conduct the servicing of your loan. And the servicing company is obligated to take your payment and send it off to the investor. And if you don't make your mortgage payment, they still have to come up with the money themselves. So they front the money to the mortgage company, the underlying investor. So they can offer you a forbearance as included in the stimulus package. But what that's doing is it's allowing you to skip 3 to 6 months worth of mortgage payments until you get back on your feet. So if you have to do it, you have to do it. If you find yourself unemployed and you can't make your mortgage payment, you want to contact your servicing company, find out what they can do for you. But you really need to know the implications of this forbearance. It's not a forgiveness by all means. It's at the end of the 3 months or 6 months, there's a lump sum of money that they're expecting you to pay back with interest. And if you can't do it, you have to come up with some plan, hopefully with them, negotiate a plan with them to either modify the loan or take the lump sum and add it to the back of the loan or something of that nature. So you definitely want to know the implications of it, because you want to know what happens at the end, and you want to know what happens in between as far as reporting to the credit report. Because if they report to the credit report that you're late on your mortgage, this is going to cause problems for you in the future if you're trying to refinance, if you have mortgage lates, which will definitely hurt your credit score. So definitely know the implications of the forbearance. It's not forgiveness by all means. The other options before you go to a forbearance is possibly refinancing. If you refinance your mortgage, you could possibly restructure your debt. And if you restructure your debt, at the time that you refinance, you can skip a mortgage payment typically, because the interest is added into the closing costs, so the payment starts up a month later. Or possibly getting a home equity line of credit. If you qualify for a home equity line of credit, which is a line of credit supported by the equity of your home, or unsecured line of credit that can where you have access to funds to take you through this time period where you're off work, or if you have difficulties making payments, meeting debt. The other option, which a lot of people are not talking about, is a 401k plan. So whether you got laid off or not, if you're unemployed or not, and you're in the process of collecting unemployment or trying to make it through this time period, the 401k that you've been putting your money, your hard-earned money into, there's two ways of accessing. You can either withdraw it, which you want to check on the tax implications there and the penalties of withdrawing, or the better option typically is borrowing against it. It's your own money, and if you borrow against it, you're paying interest, but that interest is paid to yourself because it's your own money. So you call your 401k plan administrator, find out how much is available to borrow against and what's accessible, and typically it could be accessed within days. So this could be a very good source to make it through these challenging times. So anyway, lots of options. Any questions you have, I'm glad to help. My name is Sam Mashi. It's Preferred Mortgage, LoanFunderPro.com. I work as a mortgage broker in the East Bay, and I service all of California. So please forward this to your friends, family, anybody I can help. I'm glad to do so. But first and foremost, besides the economy and the implications that's taking on to our economy and all the things that we're hearing and seeing on the news, first and foremost thing is to take care of you, your health, and your family. Practice social distancing. Let's get through these challenging times. Let's curb the spread of the virus as soon as possible. So we can get back to normalcy, seeing each other face to face, getting haircuts, missing my barber. So again, take care of yourselves, and we'll talk soon. And if you need anything, please reach out. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye.